Changes to our environment. Weather. Weather is a very powerful thing. It can change wildlife or habitats for many years. Weather can change our environment in positive or negative ways. Can you think of some? Here are some positive ways. Not all weather harm us. Actually, it can really help. Sunny weather, light rain, and light wind all help our environment grow and flourish. Habitats, animals, and humans are not harmed at all by this. The sunshine even helps plants create oxygen by photosynthesis. So here's a picture of a plant. It says light and sun and rain helped this new seedling grow. Negative. Weather such as tornadoes, hurricanes, droughts, and floods destroy many things. The land, habitats, animals, and some people can all be hurt. Sometimes we end up not having enough food or clean drinking water. Homes of both people and animals are ruined and have to be built again. So here's a picture of a tornado that came through the town. So something that's negative is something that's harmful or bad. Positive is something that is good or helpful. And photosynthesis means the process in which plants use sunlight to make food for itself. Changes to our environment for humans. Humans are a very powerful thing. They can change wildlife or habitats for many years. Are you making positive or negative changes to the environment? Positive. One way humans help the environment is by protecting animals who are becoming endangered. They also control wildfires that wipe out animals and their habitats. Humans clean waterways and even have jobs to pick up trash, like garbage men. Humans can also recycle trash instead of throwing it away. Negative. One big way humans harm the environment is by pollution. Air pollution coming from factories hurts the air, making it hard to breathe, and it destroys our ozone layer, which is made to protect us from the powerful sun rays. Littering in oceans puts sea animals in danger and can kill them. Littering in fresh water causes animals to die because the water is undrinkable and disease can break out. Humans can also hunt animals too much, which can harm the food chain. Also, when humans build, they can destroy animal habitats. Changes to our environment. Plants. Plants are very powerful growing things. They can change wildlife or habitats for many years. Did you know some plants are actually harmful? Positive. Most plants are very important to the environment. They produce oxygen using light, water, and carbon dioxide by something called photosynthesis. Because of this, they produce fuel that is used by many animals as food. Plants are a big source of food for humans and animals too. Plus, plants clean the air. Negative. Kudzu is a really harmful plant. Have you seen it before? It invades and smothers other plants and trees under a blanket of leaves. It takes all the sunlight for itself and keeps the other plants in the shade. Eventually, the other plant will die. Changes to our environment. Animals. Animals are very powerful things. They can change wildlife or habitats for many years. Do you already know some ways? Positive. Animals can really help our environment. Earthworms aerate the soil so that the roots of plants can get better oxygen. Bees, birds, and other animals help with pollination. Bees make honey for food. Bats help us with bug and pest control by eating them up. Also, animal droppings help soil to better and healthier for plants. Negative. Some animals are very harmful. Locusts are always on the move and can quickly strip whole fields of growing plants. Goats can have a huge effect on habitats if left alone. They eat and eat. They love little plants and trees, turning whole woodlands into nothing but grass. Many kinds of bark beetles are known to attack and kill live trees. Whole forests can be destroyed if bark beetle numbers get out of control. The bugs can also bring disease, like the American elm bark beetle. Rats also bring disease, and high rat population can cause food losses because they eat and ruin the small amount of food that countries have. So guys, there are a lot of ways that our environment can change, and any type of change to the environment can have an effect on our food chains and animals.